In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your crypto from the Binance exchange. The first step is to click on your profile icon right over here. Click on Assets. And here you'll have the option to withdraw. So I'm going to click on Withdraw. And here I'm going to type in the token that I'd like to withdraw. So in this case, it's going to be USDT. So I'll type in USDT. Click on that. USDT. And there we go. I'm going to enter the address that I'd like to send my USDT to. I'm going to paste that address in. And it's important to understand that when you send USDT, you can send it on different networks. So for example, you can send USDT through the Ethereum network, which is a tiny bit more expensive. You can send it through the Arbitrum network, which is less expensive. You can send it through the Tron network, and the list goes on. So in this case, I'm going to send my USDT through the Tron network. It's going to cost about $1. So for me, that's a good alternative to paying higher fees. So this is a Tron USDT address that I got from my other account that I'd like to transfer it to. So I'm going to select the network, and here is where you can see all the different networks where you can send your USDT to. Now, it's important that you don't send it on a different address. And it's great because Binance doesn't give you the option to choose an incorrect network depending on the address. So that's a great step forward in user friendliness, okay, with exchanges. So even if I wanted to send it on the Optimism network, I'm not able to because the address does not match. The only address matches here is the Tron and the Solana, but I'm going to choose the Tron network because that's what I've chosen on the receiving side. Your receiving side and your sending side must have the same network. So I'll simply click on that. And here it's asking me how much would I like to withdraw. So it has a minimum of 10 USDT. I'm going to choose max and I'll simply click on withdraw. Now here I have confirmation of what I'm doing. I've double checked that this is the correct address. I'm sending it on the Tron TRC20 network or blockchain. And the amount that I'm sending is this amount, okay? And it's coming from my spot wallet in Binance. Now, it's always a great idea to double check all of the information because once your transaction has been sent, you cannot cancel it, okay? And so make sure your address that you're sending to is the correct one. The network that you're sending it to is also the correct one, and so on. So I'll click on continue because I've confirmed all that information. Now, obviously, if you're using Binance or any other crypto exchanges, you should always have an authenticator app installed and ready to go. So that's your 2FA authentication. It gives you additional security that is very, very important because there's a lot of scams going out there with crypto. So you don't want to be at risk for anything. So here I'm going to open up my 2FA or authenticator app. I'm going to enter the number that I see. And there we go. Now, this is confirmation, basically, that my withdrawal is on its way. And there we go. Okay, that was quite fast. And that is also why I like sending on the Tron network is because it arrives very quickly from one address to the other. And that is how you withdraw your crypto from Binance to another account, whether it's another exchange, whether it's a Web3 wallet, and so on.